how to start the engine. Before you go to check that one, this will not be connected to any touches to the ground because otherwise it will be off. Then you go to petrol, open the petrol. You got to close this valve slightly. Then you got to open it. So this is the connection. Then you got to off the wire. So this is off wire. So this is the concept of starting the engine. Video. So this is the plougher arrangement. You got to use this holes to any other places. போதும் அப்படியே திருப்பிட்டு வா. திருப்பிட்டு வா. போதும் போட்டு போல்ட்டை காட்ட மாட்டேன். This is the half wire. Here half wire. This is the half wire. You touch the ground, automatically it will be off. The engine is 100cc engine. Then this is the petrol tank. This is the chain and sprocket. We are having a 1:3 chain and sprocket. This is scooty wheel. The drum brake system. So this is the adjustment of lever adjustment. This is the adjustment of lever. You got to put that in ground, you got to field, you got to put this hole to other places. But here not possible. This is that not a mud stand. So you got to put on the any here or here. You got to put that holes to there. That time it will be ground. It will touch. No. That's calm chamo. After that it will be put it to any places. So here having this is the steering mechanism. So this is the steering mechanism to turn that one. Easy turning. This is the steering mechanism. The frame all are made of 1.5 into 1.5 hollow square plate. So this is the brake. This is the brake action. Brake action. This is the accelerator. So this is the accelerator. That's the brake. This is the accelerator. So this is the farm cart. Engine powered 4-wheel drive farm cart. So Hogart, instead of Hogart, this is the farm cart. Farm braking applications. That's called farm cart mechanism. These are all the 50 into 6 mm flat for braking application, tiller application.